Alright, ayan, congratulations because your free webinar training schedule is already booked and confirmed. Ayan. This is a confirmation video, no, to congratulate you na yung schedule mo na date is confirmed na. So, before ka mag-attend ng free webinar training, heads up lang kita para at least mas maging fruitful, no? Ibig sabihin, mas maging beneficial sa iyo yung pag-attend ng free webinar training mo. Number one, make it sure na mag-alarm ka. 30 minutes or 5 minutes bago magsimula yung free webinar para hindi mo malimutan yung schedule mo. Take note that this is a one-time na pwede kang makapag-attend ng free webinar training. So, failure to attend, automatic ibibigay namin yung slot sa iba para yung iba maka-attend pa. Okay? There will be no reschedule, there will be no rebooking for this free webinar training. Kasi ang gusto ko, yung makaka-attend nito is yung mga seryoso talaga na gustong magkaroon ng sariling online business na pwedeng kumita ng 50K to 100K every month. Another thing, make it sure na meron kang headset. Kung wala kang headset, okay lang yon. At least, nasa place ka na hindi maingay at makakapag-focus ka at malakas yung phone speaker mo para marinig mo lahat ng details na sasabihin ko paano ka kikita ng 50K to 100K every month through online business. And again, make it sure, no, natapusin mo yung webinar from start to end kasi at the end, meron ako mga free gifts na ibibigay sa iyo. Mga regalo ko sa iyo pag tinapos mo yung free webinar training. So, again, ulitin ko, make it sure na makapag-attend ka kasi there will be no rebooking, there will be no reschedule for you to attend this webinar training. So, make it sure to take note kung kailan ka makaka-attend. Again, another thing, make it sure na makapag-focus ka, walang distraction. This will be around 1 hour, maximum of 1 hour and 30 minutes. Pero I'll do everything, lalo na sa last part, kasi dun ko i-reveal yung 3 sekreto ko paano kakikita na 50K to 100K every month through online business. And another thing, make it sure, no, na nakafocus ka talaga, walang distraction, as in. Kasi this will be a one-time opportunity and baka ito na yung sagot sa panalangin mo na kikita ka through online business, di ba? At para makapag-resign ka na, para makapag-for good ka na dito sa Pilipinas, kung OFW ka, mabayaran mo na yung mga pinagkakautangan mo, di ba? Makaahon ka sa kahirapan, mabili or mabigay mo na yung wants and even, di ba, needs and wants ng family mo. This is it. Kaya attend ka na, huwag mong kalimutan yung schedule mo, mag-set ka ng alarm para maka-attend ka sa free webinar training ko. So, yun lang guys. If you have any questions, message ka lang and see you in my free webinar.